Magandang gabi, Bicol! Ako si Kimon-sik. Hi. Can I hear your voice? Wow, so many people here. I'm really glad and honored to be here, to see you guys here in Bicol for the first time. And so thank you for calling me here to sing in front of you guys. If you know the song, please sing along, okay? Dilaw for all of you guys. Guys, thank you. Did you like Dilaw? Guys at the back, I really want to see you guys. Are you okay? Having fun? Can I hear your voice, guys? Thank you. So, this is my first time to see you guys. My name is Kim Won-sik Bo. You got it now? Okay. So the next song is my original song. My Donbell fan ka ba dito? Donbell? How to spot a red flag? Okay, this is one of the theme songs of how to spot a red flag. Okay. So, I'll sing for you guys. Please, sing along. This is Hello My Love.
It's hard to say what I'm thinking about. All I know is that it's you. I wanna spend my life, you and me together. I can't believe that this is happening. I am hoping this won't take my hand. Don't let me go forever. Every day is you, I want it only. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, my love. Every breath that I take, every moment I know it's you. The one that I run to. My only point of view, just you and me too. No matter what comes our way, baby, I will stay true. No matter what we're going through, always be with you.
Thank you so much.
아침 가득 피어난 햇살과 적당하게 부는 바람에 문득 떠오른 기억. 눈을 감아도 난 잊지 않을게. 오직 너만 그릴게. Every day it's you, I want it only. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, my love. Every breath that I take, every moment I know it's you. The one that I run to. My only point of view, just you and me too. No matter what comes our way, baby, I will stay true. No matter what we're going through, always be with you. Every breath that I take, every moment I know it's you. The one that I run to. My only point of view, just you and me too. No matter what comes our way, baby, I will stay true. You always have my heart, always be with you.
Thank you, thank you. How was it? Are you having fun now? Can you scream for me?
Grabe naman yung performance
Yes!
na yan. Thank you so much, Kim Won-shik.
Yes! Alright! Pwede ka bang mag-hello sa lahat ng mga taga-Bicol?
Hello! Kumusta kayo? Masaya kayo? Salamat
Diba?
po.
Lahat sila masaya. So ngayon, tuturuan kita ng isa pang salitang Bicol. Okay? So kung ikaw makakakita ng Bicolano, or Bicolana, ang sasabihin mo ay magayon ka.
Magayon ka. Magayon kayo.
Oh! Oh,
Magayon
diba?
ka mo?
Magayon ka mo is correct. So, eto ang tanong lang natin, so since Bicolano is known for their spicy food, ikaw ba, mahilig ka ba sa maanghang or spicy food?
Medyo lang.
Medyo lang. Ano yung maanghang na natikman mo sa Bicol?
Bicol Express.
Wow! Masarap ba?
Sobrang masarap.
Wow!
My lunch was...
Talaga, sobrang masarap. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. Okay, so eto, ha?
Okay.
Papakiligin niya tayo ngayong gabi.
Talaga, Ate Casey? Wow, gusto
Nako,
ko yan.
oo. Ang ating susunod na laro ay ang ating makuha ka sa tingin. Okay. So yan ang ating first game, makuha ka sa tingin. So tawagin natin yung ating mga contestants. Palakpakan naman natin.
Eto na. Get ready for the ultimate fan service courtesy of Kim Woon Shik. Nako, once again, yung
ang
game
gaganda.
natin is
Makuha ka sa tingin.
Okay.
Ganito ang gagawin natin. Anak, makinig ka sa akin. Anak. Diba? Ang babagets ng kasama, sugar. Okay, so ang gagawin natin is ganito. Bibigyan namin kayo ng 1 minute. Makikipagtitigan kayo
Aba.
kay Kim Won Shik.
Okay,
Alam niyo na. Pero ganito, dapat hindi kayo ma-distract ng kanyang kapugian.
Yes.
May mga gagawin din siya. Naka-distract talaga, be. Okay, ready na ba? Parang hindi na naintindihan. Okay, baby, you do it with me first. Okay.
Kay Ate Jos sa
Like this.
Casey muna, ha? Sa sample muna si Ate Jos, ha?
Yung mga kamag-anak ko, magsisigaw! Like this, okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes, tita. Let's go.
Tinita.
Tinita!
Ginaunti,
Okay,
ha?
ready? Oy, mga ineng!
Mga girls,
Watch
tingnan nyo to.
Watch and learn.
Ang nito.
Ready? Are you ready?
Okay.
In 3, 2, 1, go!
Hilig na hilig sa loob.
Ganun ah.
Okay.
Oo. Diba? Okay.
Okay,
Ready
ah.
na. O, nakuha nyo mga be.
Okay, the staring
Antayin nyo na
game.
to.
But anyways, kilalanin muna natin yung mga participants
Okay,
natin.
sige. Si
Okay, let's
girl
talk to
number
them.
1. Hello.
Candidate number 1. Sige,
What's your name?
kausapin natin. Ano pangalan ni ate?
Rosie po.
Rosie.
Ilan taon na si ate Rosie?
19 po.
19, taga saan?
Tagaligaw!
Ligaw represents! Okay, from Ligaw.
Ligaw, okay.
So, Rosie, our next contestant is?
Contestant number 2. What's your name?
I'm Jade.
Jade. Hi, Jade.
Wala pa kinig. Basic sugar pa lang yan.
Wala pa.
Wala pa yan.
Sa akin ka nalang makikipagtitigan. Okay. Sa kanya.
Sa kanya.
Ilan taon na, Jade?
21.
Kanya siya.
21.
Talaga!
And of course, contestant number 3, si Ate. Wow, sexy.
Sexy,
ah.
oo.
L4. Okay,
Yes.
what's your name, te?
Jasmine po. 18.
Taga saan?
Tagaligaw!
Ligaw! Grabe naman! Okay, simulan na natin ito. Huwag natin patagalin. O,
Okay.
girl number 1. Okay,
Girl
dito
number
ka ate. And anak, dito. Since sinawag mo naman akong tita, o, dyan ka. Okay! Ready na! In 3, 2, 1, action!
Aba.
Ay! Wag ka madidistract.
Wala
Isa
ka
pa.
madidistract.
One more.
One more.
Sa eyes, oo. Kung saan mo gusto tumingin? Sa bangs? Mo gusto?
Ay, eyes, ha?
Sa eyes, oo, syempre. O, isa pa. Last na to. Okay. In 3.
Three.
O, anak, ready?
Kinikilig naman lahat, oh.
1. Lumalaban ng patas! Iba? Okay na, nag-distract ka kasi nag-smile ka. Dapat hindi lalabas ang ngipon. Hindi. Dapat magluwas ang ngipon.
Lumabas
Okay, dito ka muna.
lumabas yung isang pangil ni
Oo,
ate.
lumabas eh. Nung lumabas, sabi niya. Lumanan eh, di ba?
Bilog kasi yung buwan eh.
Ah, grabe ka naman. I see girl number 2. Okay. Do you want some advice for the girl?
Can I touch your hair?
Galing ng anak ko, grabe!
Sabi niya kung pwede ka na niya sa bunutan.
Ready na? Any last words, baby girl? Sinaranghe!
Ate ha? Ang daming alam ha?
Hindi, ito daw sabi nung yung director, marunong pa kayo. Eto, dun daw yun. Eto na talaga. Ready na?
Represent.
Anak. 3, 2, 1, action.
Aba?
Nadidistract! Nadidistract! Anak, maghunos dili ka, anak!
Sabi ni Kim Mushik, parang alam ko yung ulam mo kanina. Parang amoy oraba.
Bilong galing sabi.
Nag-distract si taga-daraga.
Wala! Wala talaga! Eto, tagaligaw!
Kata sa number 3.
Tagaligaw! Hi, baby girl! Anong masasabi mo kay baby boy?
You're so pogi.
May jowa ka?
Wala po.
Walang jowa. Totoo?
Ko-talking stage.
Talking stage?
Mga ganong stage pala.
Talking stage tayo. Bakit ilang stages ba yan, anak? Ilang stages ba yan? Ngayon, talking stage. Ano susunod sa talking stage?
Wala.
Wala na talking stage ka lang. Okay, ready na.
Tita Casey, ready na?
Tita, anak, ready na? Are you ready na?
Okay, so I have to have like stronger one, right?
Yes.
So can I dip you? Can I touch your waist?
Ganyan dapat. Mga kabataan, dapat nagpapaalam.
Very good.
Be like Kim Won-shik, nagpapaalam. Can I touch your waist? Galing-galing ng anak ko. Anak ka talaga ta. Okay, ready?
Ready na. Ito na.
Anak ka, dito tayo sa gitna.
Contestant number 3 ha?
Ayan.
Kita tayo.
Agaligaw. Okay. In 3, 2, 1, action.
Ito na. Can I touch your waist? Ano na?
Bigong ako mananggay talagang matutuog ako ni.
Parang kami nagpo-protesta.
Ha?
Kitang-kita yung highlights ni girl.
Si girl, tinan mo parang nananaginip na. Palakpakan naman natin.
Kumbaga sa Ate Casey sa Bicol, pero nasino si ate
Iyubi, gano'n na sinubi. Dapat kayo ni magpasantiguan sa akin. Alright, so eto na. Magkakaalaman na tayo. So, you will choose who is the winner. Okay? Or you want them to choose? Okay, kayo daw. Eto na. Anong ayang daw winner? Di ka kasali. Okay, so we have palakpakan system mga mare.
Sige, kung sinumbet nyo sa tatlo.
Sige. Sige, dito ako. Contestant number 1! Sakto lang, wala kang kamag-anak dito, Ben, yung mga kaibigan mo, ganun.
Siguro masama ugali ni ate sa totoo.
Hindi, maganda kasi, ganun talaga. Pag maganda, kinaiingit ako. Okay, si contestant number 2.
Ang daming pinsan ha.
Parang malalali pa yung Tagaligaw. Okay, how about contestant number 3? Uy, panalo si Can I Touch Your Waist? Okay, palakpakan naman natin. So, meron kayong kayong chance para makapagpa-picture.
Yun,
Meron pa kayo
okay.
walang cellphone? Naku, walang cellphone. Ay, meron. Okay, sige, picture.
Picture,
Congratulate lahat kayo. Hindi ko
lahat
na lang
sila.
dyan, oh.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Ate, oh, wow. Game na game, oh.
Game na game. Si Can I touch your waist?
Can I touch your waist?
Dapat nag-crop top pala kayo, B.
Love-handed.
Nasa crop top yan.
Okay.
Okay, kayo, wala kayong picture.
Okay. Sino sila?
Picture
Sino talaga?
natin.
Okay.
Picture.
May picture, may camera sa mga
kanila.
camera natin.
Oo, picture sa kanila.
Picture with the
Tapos
three of
mukha
them.
na lang kung kanino. Sige, picture.
Okay, Kim One Chic, please join the girls. Palapakan naman natin yung
sige.
ano natin.
Picture. 1, 2,
Yung contestants
3.
natin. Alright. Ang saya-saya naman noon. Maraming salamat, girls. Okay, kinilig kayo doon, girls.
Kinilig kayo.
Si ate parang ayaw ang umalis ng stage, oh.
Uy, B, tapos na yung game.
Salamat.
Ayaw pa umalis eh, nakakatuwa naman. Ikaw may masasabi ka ba? Ano pa pang gusto mong sabihin sa mga Bicolano?
Sige, sabihin mo, Kim One Chic, what do you want to say to, of course, her Bicolano fans and all the people around joining us for the Bicol Music Festival?
O, go, anak!
Padabata ka.
Ay! Ano sasabihin nyo? Oh, sabi nila, I love you too.
Salamat po.
Ay. Alright, so eto, Sugar. Gusto nyo ba kumanta? Gusto nyo pa? Isa pa?
One more?
Mahina, gusto pa?
Okay, sa akin naman, hindi namin nagpipitinin pa dahil may pakilig na, may paandar pa si Kim One Chic para sa atin.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Kim One Chic!
I know you'd like this song and you know the song. Here's Palagi. Can you sing along?
Hindi man araw-araw na nakaliti, ilang beses na rin tayo humindi. Di na mabilang ang ating mga tampuhan. Away ba't di natin di na namamalayan? Eto tayo, ngunit sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo ulit-ulitin man nais kong malaman mo iyo ako palagi
One more time. Could you sing for me? Palagi.
palagi kung balikan man ang hirap buhat lahat ikaw ang paborito kong desisyon at pag napaligiran ng ingay at ng ulo di ko papapalitin mo sa mundo. Eto tayo sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo ulit-ulitin man nais kong malaman mo iyo ako. Let's sing! Sa pagdating ng ating pilak at ginto, diyan tayo may abutin, ikaw pa rin aking bituin, tatatangin kong dalangin hanggang sa huling siglo.
I'm so happy to feel the warmth, you know. This is my last song. You know, not the least. May Kim Pao fan ka ba dito? Kim Pao? Wala? Meron? Kim Pao fan? Are you? Like, I was also part of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. And this is theme song of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. So, I hope you like it, you know. Here's To Be With You for all of you.
When you are holding my hand, all the color change in my life, and I know you are my only light. 'Cause I know you're the only one. Sometimes it hurts me, but it never matters. If you feel the same way, let me in your heart to be with you, to be with you. If you feel the same way, let me in your world to be with you, to be with you. And hold me in your arms as hard as you love me. Whenever I close my eyes, I can't stop thinking about this love. And I know you are my fantasy. Now I know you're all my life. Sometimes it hurts me, but it never matters. If you feel the same way, let me in your heart to be with you, to be with you. If you feel the same way, let me in your world to be with you, to be with you. Oh, I don't know how long could I love you until the end of universe, to be with you, my love. Ooh. If you feel the same way, let me in your heart to be with you, to be with you. If you feel the same way, leave me in your world to be with you, to be with you. And hold me in your arms as hard as you love me.
Thank you guys! Salamat po! This is Kim Won Shik. Thank you for welcoming.